These days, I'm practicing social distancing by working out of the basement of my Raleigh home, and I know I'm lucky to be able to do that.
911, address of your emergency.
We have to be at work. We don't have the option of working from home, unfortunately.
Grayson Gussa is the president of the North Carolina Association of Public Safety Communications Officials, or APCO. His organization works on behalf of the 2,700 911 dispatchers in our state who fielded 7.3 million calls last year. And now they're preparing for the worst times any of them have ever experienced.
Just almost feel like we're sitting in the calm of the storm. We know it's coming, and we're doing all we can now to be prepared, but just not sure when it's going to hit.
And while they wait, they brave leaving their homes each day to go to work.
Typically, the 911 centers are very closed spaces, so social distancing is not feasible.
Gussa says a few cities and counties are fortunate to have backup centers and have spread employees out into them. But crowded or not, the telecommunicators come to work faithfully.
To be in this job, you have to be dedicated. This isn't a job you take for the money or for the glory, because we're often the ones that only make the news when something bad happens or a call goes wrong.
And one of the reasons they're so dedicated is to help their colleagues on the front lines, the EMTs, firefighters, and police officers who come face to face with the disease. Back in February, they started screening sick calls, including asking people about their recent travels. Now they're screening almost every call, and the guidelines for questions is constantly changing as the coronavirus spreads.
The travel question is not even necessary since there's widespread community spread in the United States at this point.
A stark reminder about how they're at risk leaving their homes and how their families are at risk when they return, but still they work. So while thanking all the healthcare heroes and the first responders, don't forget these folks.
911 telecommunicators are truly the first responders.
Ed Crump, ABC11, Eyewitness News.